Welcome to the future of insurance quoting and underwriting with Harmony, Exzeo's powerful platform designed to help carriers make better decisions faster. At Exzeo, we know data can be noisy. That's why we built Harmony to cut through the noise and deliver actionable insights that matter. Harmony is built on an API-first architecture, ensuring scalability and seamless integration across the Exzeo ecosystem. With Harmony, Exzeo can easily create and manage CSPs. That's company, state, and product, all in one place. Each CSP contains everything needed: insurance filings, underwriting rules, payment plans, and even product-specific underwriting logic. Because Harmony is part of the Exzeo ecosystem, it integrates seamlessly with tools like CasaClue, a proprietary intelligent data repository, delivering a connected, data-driven workflow from quote to bind. And what makes this even more powerful? The entire Exzeo software and technology platform is 100% custom-built from the ground up, designed, developed, and built entirely by Exzeo. We built the Exzeo ecosystem to empower carriers to make smarter, faster, and more confident decisions. Harmony is where that vision comes to life. Let's dive in and see Harmony in action. Welcome to Harmony, Exzeo's sophisticated and powerful insurance platform. We're in the agency portal, starting a new quote, which always begins with selecting the CSP. That's company, state, product. Next, we enter the address. This triggers the first API call to CasaClue, our proprietary intelligent data repository. CasaClue returns matching addresses available for the selected CSP. Once we choose an address, Harmony makes a second API call to CasaClue, this time to retrieve detailed property information. These property details are configured by the CSP and are essential for underwriting, rating, and cost evaluation. You can see some of the returned property details in the header, things like year built, construction type. CasaClue doesn't just return raw data, it curates data and standardizes it. For example, construction type might appear in various formats across public sources like property appraiser websites. CasaClue translates and normalizes this data so Harmony can consume it seamlessly. When I click Next, Harmony calls its underwriting engine to determine if additional information is needed. Here you see a few underwriting questions for the agent to ask the insured. These questions are dynamically generated by the CSP when the property is quoted. Once the agent completes the questions, Harmony sends the data to the rating engine, using customized defaults to generate an initial quote. All editable coverages, limits, discounts, and surcharges for this CSP are displayed, allowing the agent to tailor the quote. Let's make a quick change to one of the changeable coverages. For example, let's increase the dwelling limit. After making the change, the agent selects the Requote button. Harmony then sends the updated data back to the rating engine and the premium is recalculated. You'll see the new premium displayed in the upper right, giving the agent clear feedback on how coverage adjustments affect the quote. Clicking Next again triggers final checks. Harmony sends data to the underwriting engine to confirm eligibility, it sends data to the cost engine to ensure profitability, and it updates the rating engine as needed. At this stage, Harmony also checks for any missing or conflicting data that could impact the quote. When everything passes validation and no errors are returned, the agent can confidently move forward and share the quote with the policyholder. This smooth, error-free experience is what we call a greenhouse, a quote that flows cleanly through the system with no blockers and no manual intervention. To proceed, the agent completes the remainder of the quote, the administrative section, including email address and phone number, mortgagee or additional insureds, mailing address, billing information, and the agent can confirm all the quote details. Quote is now ready to be sent for signature. Harmony emails the quote to the policyholder via an e-signature app. It bundles all required documents and creates a complete application using both agent entered and Casa Clue provided data. The policyholder simply signs and submits. No extra effort is needed from the agent. Once signed completed, a webhook will notify Harmony to begin the policy binding process. Let's look at a different scenario when a property doesn't pass underwriting. We'll start a new quote, selecting the CSP as shown here, and we enter the address. Harmony again calls CasaClue for property details, which you can see here in the header. The agent enters the policyholder's name. This time, when Harmony sends the data to the underwriting engine, we get a quick response. This property does not qualify for this CSP. Harmony delivers this result instantly, saving the agent time and avoiding unnecessary steps. This is what we call a red house, a quote that is blocked due to underwriting rules or risk criteria. Meanwhile, the first quote we completed has now been bound as a policy in Harmony. Harmony has assembled the full policy packet, including the deck page and all required policy forms, emailed a copy to the policyholder and to the agent. All of this was done without the need for human underwriting interaction. No calls, no chats, and no uploads for additional information. It works because of the Exzeo team's long-standing commitment to collecting and curating data that directly impacts underwriting accuracy and profitability. This dedication began over a decade ago and has delivered proven, tested results, making Harmony not just a system, but a smarter way to write insurance.
Now that you've seen how Harmony and CasaClue work together to power faster, more accurate quoting and underwriting, you can see how Exzeo is transforming the agent experience, improving efficiency, and increasing the profit for the carrier. But quoting is just the beginning. The Exzeo ecosystem, built by insurance people for insurance people, also includes policy management, where Harmony and Mercury streamline operations into a fully integrated digital solution. And in any insurance operation, claims are inevitable. That's why we built Claim Colony and Just Easy, scalable claim solutions for efficient claim handling. Claim Colony integrates directly into the Exzeo ecosystem, enhancing the underwriting engine and reporting capabilities with real-time claims intelligence. To bring data to life, we created Atlas Viewer, a powerful visualization tool that enables unique data insights and promotes transparency with carriers, third-party administrators, and reinsurance partners. And no ecosystem is complete without robust data and reporting. That's where ExaHub comes in, our centralized data platform designed to manage complex, diverse data sets. It serves as the data warehouse for carriers, while Exzeo IQ delivers transparent reporting for carriers, including month-end financials, data calls, exposure management, and risk insights. Every product in the Exzeo ecosystem was designed and built by Exzeo to make insurance simple, efficient, and profitable. This is Exzeo. This is the future of insurance.